Hello guys, welcome to this Java course. I will be your instructor and try my best to provide all skills you need to know to develop and solve professional and complex Java programs and become a successful programmer. Even if you do not know about programming, I will take you from the fundamentals of programming to advanced Java concepts. Outline of the video. In this video, we will figure out the target audience, course structure, and course syllabus. Target audience. This Java course is for anyone who wants to develop his programs or just want to build the good foundation of programming. This course will be also helpful for CS students or self-learners who want to learn the first programming language, because choosing the first programming language is very important to build the good foundation of programming, and Java is suitable for the first programming language. This Java course is divided into two parts. The first one is fundamentals of programming. After learning the basics, you will be able to develop basic programs and apply them to another programming language, because these are the basic topics and can be applicable to any other language. Topics that are included in this part are variable, data types, operators, expressions, associativity, strings, methods, conditional, switch case, loops, arrays. Another part of it is OOP, object-oriented programming, which is essential because Java is purely oriented programming language. The topics included are concrete classes, objects, abstraction, encapsulation, exception, and many others. So you see, this will be the largest part of this course. Now we will discuss the course structure. In this course, there will be exercises, assignments, practice set, and we will build small projects, which is very important for you to know because it will give you practical knowledge of real life projects. If you want to join the course, you just need to subscribe the channel and you are ready to go on. Thanks for watching.